Hello everyone, it's Rose and I'm back with another unboxing video. So today I am opening the second diamond painting that is in this order from Homfun. So it was extremely well packed. The one that I opened yesterday was the one that was inside. There were two rolled around this foam core, and the other one was inside of this one. That's why there's a bit of a gap here. So I'll take this one out, and I'll take out everything that's left in the box. So there's the toolkit for this one. And I'm having trouble getting the beads out. Okay, let's pull. There we go. All right. There we go. And there's nothing else in the box. The box is now garbage. All right, so let's take a look. Oh, we can't see the, oh yeah, we can sort of see the image. There we go. That's the image. I call it crows and roses. We'll get a better view in a moment. And here's the toolkit. Little squishy. It's got a 3-placer on the end here. Of course, a single placer on the other end. A few little bags, some wax, bent nose tweezers, and a funnel boat. So a very good kit. And I'm now starting to put all of my kits in this bag from Lululemon. These are just the kits from my 11/11 sale purchases, and it'll be my Black Friday purchases as well, because yes, I bought some more on Black Friday. I don't know. I have a problem. I know I have a problem. Okay, so let's get this off. It's got these fine little rubber bands. I'm not sure that they're actually rubber. They're some sort of stretchy plastic of some sort. But anyway, they're fine. I'll keep those. Might have a use for them someday. And we'll save the foam core. I have ideas for that, which I will tell you about if and when the time comes. And then this is a 60 by 60 diamond painting. And just gonna open it up. I will show you here the little thumbnail. Let me blow that up so that you can see it in as much detail as possible. There we go. Crow with roses, or roses and crows. Crows and roses, that's what it is. Okay. Let's put these beads aside. I'll take you back out so you can see more of this diamond painting. And there we go. First thing I'm going to do is put a label on it. So this is Crows and Roses. Oh my goodness, where the heck is it? There it is. These are, okay. So just to show you how much of a problem I have, these are all the, like I started this with just labels for 9/11 or 11/11. And then I added the ones for Black Friday. So these are all the diamond paintings that I bought. There are a lot of unboxings coming your way. Lots. Yeah, I lost it. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay. Put that aside. And we'll just put this on an end where it'll fit. This is good. All right, and I'll just add the size as soon as I measure it. it is 60 centimeters across and 60 centimeters down. So that's good. All right. Okay. So let's fill that in. 60 by 60. Okay. And it's supposed to be square drills. And it is square drills. Okay. We'll get at those in just a moment. For now, I'm going to pull back the paper and show you this diamond painting. Okay. Now they laid the paper across, so I'm going to have to work on this from side to side instead of top to bottom. Ooh. Oops. Cover paper is tearing just a tiny bit there. I don't know if that's because I don't know if that's because there's a little bit of overlap or just because I pulled it back in an unfortunate way. All right. And, oof. Could be upset about it. All right, I'm only going to go that far. There's about 2 centimeters left on that side that's not pulled back. I like this. It looks beautiful even just with the layout on the canvas. That's really nice. And I don't think I have bought other things that had roses on them. I bought a lot of things with peonies and things like that. Not a lot of roses, I think. But now I have a couple of things that have roses on them. Okay, well, all right, so there is our image. I think it's beautiful. Very, very nice. And we have a lot of colors. I'm not sure how many. We'll see in a minute. And I will show you the symbol set. To do that, I'm going to take you out to blown up size so that you can see a little bit. That's the rose in the center of the image. Okay, and now I'm going to take you down and I'm going to show you the legend. Okay, so once again, that's what the image is going to look like. And here we have the legend. I think this will be clear and not confusing. It's got an O and a null sign, but no zero. Yeah, I think that'll be fine. I don't think I'm going to be too confused by anything here. G and C are sometimes confusing, and they might be here as well because the C is a dark, dark green, the 890, and the G is the dark, dark, I don't know, almost black. It's like a charcoal color. So those might be a little confusing. I'll have to be careful with those. Okay. Now we'll zoom in on the symbols on the canvas so that you can see what the drill field actually looks like. So there, we've got S. Do we have S and $sign? I don't think so. Those are just S's. Okay. Because S and $sign is super confusing. I really don't like that. But this does not have $sign, so we're good. We're good. And let's take you up to the bird's head. Yeah, it doesn't look like much close up, does it? But those are very clear symbols. Very, very clear. And then we'll go up to one of the roses. And the adhesive looks perfect. Just perfect. Oh, we do have O's and nulls, but they're clear. I'm not going to get confused by those. And we have pluses and double pluses, or double crosses, whatever. Okay, all right, so that's good. I think we've got a beautiful canvas here. And that is the item number for those of you who like the item number to order with. Okay, 310 is Y. Yeah, there's quite a bit of Y, but it's actually, there's not a lot of confetti, sorry, there's not a lot of big swaths of a single color. The Y's are about the biggest swath. Everything else is more or less confetti, which I like confetti. I'm working on a little diamond painting now that has big blocks of color, and I don't find it fun because it's just like an hour of placing the same color, and it's not my favorite thing. I do like the confetti. I know they take longer to do, but somehow I find them a lot more rewarding. All right. There we go. Just using the bone folder to get rid of any little bits of air that got in between the canvas and the adhesive, not the canvas, but the paper and the adhesive. Normally I would pull back the edge, the other edge as well, but this one's so flat I don't need to do that. Okay, so so that's the canvas. While I'm getting the drills ready, I'll tell you a little bit more about this diamond painting. So as I mentioned, just a second, I'll wait until I get the crinkle done. I don't like those bags, so I'm not going to keep it. There is some trash here. I don't see any loose. Oh, I see one loose drill. Oh, look at all the trash. All right, well. That is this. Hopefully it was just stuck with static. Yeah, I don't see any more, so that's okay. All right. I'm just gonna put that in a little container so that I don't have to worry about it, and we'll get rid of it after. Okay, All right, so this has 43 colors. And so the Black Friday price for this was $32.73. However, I did get some discounts. So I got it for $28.10. These are Canadian funds. So about $4.50 off, which is good. Like, I'm happy with that. I bought 2 items from Homfun, and I always split the savings equally, proportionately across the items. So that's how I come up with $4.50. So on an order that cost me, I don't know how much, it would have been probably about $10 in savings altogether. Okay. So I'm going to set the camera up so that you can see what I'm doing when I do inventory, and then we're going to do it. So I have finished the inventory. Let's see if we've got everything I'm supposed to have. All right, let's just go down this list very quickly and look for all the little dots. I have everything. So that's it. That is the Crows and Roses. And I think, yeah, 310s is definitely the dominant color. There's 9,043 of those, 46 bags that I need. Although there are quite a few of the 890s, which is the dark green. And I got 24 bags of those. And 939s. And what else do I have? 817s. So, so there's going to be, 817 is this beautiful red. I don't mind doing a lot of those. So yeah, so that's it. That is Crows and Roses. Thanks for watching, everybody. Come back and visit with me again soon. Ciao for now.